guys like this video, okay? Thank you. Bye. Okay. Hey guys, I'm gonna be calling Elf on the show. I need to get my phone. Okay, I'm calling him right now. It's too loud in here right now. Okay, so you ready? Hi, Elf. What are you doing? I don't want to meet you outside. Okay. Well, I'm outside anyway, so I might as well go see him. He said find him outside. And my phone just turned off. I don't know why. So I'm going outside. Hi, Bacon. Okay, so I'm just walking. I don't see nothing yet. I still don't. Wow. Well, my trampoline's right here. Well, let me go back inside and call him. Oh my God. The elf on the shelf is right there. Come look. Look. He called me. Well, I don't know what I should do. I'm just gonna go back inside. Yeah, I'm gonna go. No, that I should stay by this elf. Let's see if I can call him. Okay, elf. So what do you gotta say? Nothing? Well, I've been you on YouTube, so can't fly nowhere else, can't you? Because you think you can, but you can't. So what are you talking about? Well, I'm leaving, guys. The elf on the shelf is right there still, and yeah, I didn't get him yet or nothing. So, well, I'm gonna walk by my four-wheeler right here, and yeah, if y'all can see it, it's leafy out here today. Okay, well, oh my gosh, he's right there. Look. Okay, now this is freaking me out. Yeah. What should we do? There's nothing to do, cause that elf is right there. Well, I'm gonna call him, and then if he goes, I'm gonna jump on the trampoline for a little bit, okay? So let me call him right now. Hello? 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 Okay, so what do you want? Nothing. Well, I'm gonna jump on the trampoline, so don't try to find me anymore, okay? You'll never see what's coming to you. Okay, well, let me see then. Well, I'm about to go on the trampoline. And so I'm going right now. Okay, so here I am. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god. Yeah, I'm sorry I dropped my tablet, but the elf just fell on me. Oh my gosh, he's right there now. Yeah, something's wrong with this elf, and I don't know. I don't want to touch him, so I'm just gonna get a stick. Now I'm just gonna touch him. Okay. Here he is. The elf. You know what, elf? You need to stop calling me. He has a phone on him. He needs to stop calling me. Why you doing? Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna walk back over to the trampoline, and if I see him again, I'll give y'all something, and I'll give y'all a little note to say that I did see him. Right now. Oh yeah. So I'm just walking around. Oh my gosh! He's right there! I don't want to drop my tablet. I'm running right now because that elf, he's right there. What should I do with him? I'm about to call him. Hello, elf. Please stop trying to get me. I'm so mad at you right now. You need to stop. You almost fell on my head. You hush. Okay, so where do you want me to look at next so I can get you? Where? By the tree. Okay, I'm coming by the tree. Beep. You are so creepy. He's right there. Well, if you can see him, he is right there. Hold on. I don't know if y'all can see him, but... Well, no, y'all can't see him, but I'm going to pick him up. Ow! Oh my gosh, the elf he hit me. Well, I'm just gonna pick you up on the trash can. Don't move. I'm gonna call you back again. Well, I'm about to go on my trampoline so I can jump, and then I'm gonna call him again. So, I'm back on the trampoline. Well, yeah, I'm jumping on the trampoline right now, and I'm calling the elf. Hello, elf. So what do you want to do? Well, what? Because, I need to know where you're hiding because I never saw you before, and I might keep you. Why? Because I can. Okay, well, find me. I'm coming. Beep. That elf is a little prankster. Oh my gosh. The elf is right there. Well, just so y'all know. Oh my gosh. There's another elf. Oh my gosh, there's another one. He put a trick on me. Okay, so yeah, bye.